Let's begin with the life-changing lessons. Lesson 1. Mindset matters. Mindset is the foundation of financial success. It's time to shift from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset. Embrace opportunities, think big, and believe in your ability to achieve financial freedom. Lesson 2. Financial literacy is key. Financial literacy is the bridge to wealth. Educate yourself about money. Understand concepts such as income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Empower yourself with the knowledge to make informed financial decisions. Lesson 3. The power of cash flow. Cash flow is the lifeblood of financial independence. Escape the rat race by transitioning from being an employee or self-employed to becoming a business owner or investor. Create multiple streams of passive income that work for you. Lesson 4. Building assets. Building assets paves the way to wealth. Invest in income-generating assets such as real estate or businesses. Focus on acquiring assets that appreciate and generate ongoing cash flow. Lesson 5. Embrace risk and learn from failure. Step out of your comfort zone, take calculated risks, and view failures as valuable learning experiences. Use setbacks as stepping stones on your path to financial success. Subscribe now to gain invaluable financial knowledge and transform your future. And there you have it, the key lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad. By adopting the right mindset, gaining financial literacy, understanding the power of cash flow, building assets, and embracing risk, you hold the keys to unlock a world of financial abundance. Remember, my friend, the journey to financial freedom begins with a single step. Stay tuned for more insightful advice that will empower you to take control of your financial destiny. Until next time.